everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make a beautiful autumn-inspired necklace? I'll be using items from my collection as well as from Softlex Company, either their website or claims from the Softlex Company live sale. And if any of these items are still available, I will leave a link down below in the description as well as a link to the wonderful Softlex live sales. I am using red jasper softlex wire. Unfortunately, this is a discontinued color. You could use one of the metallics, or you could use the garnet color. I am using Peruvian yellow opals, and these are from a bead shop in Placerville, California, Artistic Beads and Studio. 3x5 gem cut beads from the Softlex live sale. 4 millimeter yellow shimmer opal, and these are Austrian crystal from my collection. Some of these beautiful Czech glass flower beads, and these were available on the website for Softlex Company, I believe over the summer. This color, unfortunately, is sold out, but they look the most like sunflowers, but they do have quite a few other colors in stock. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave a link to the playlist for all other necklace inspiration. Let's start creating. Be adding beads to my spool, and this is just going to act as a bead stopper. You can also cut 20 inches of the soft flex wire and use that if you do not wish to work on the spool. So I have 7 of these beautiful flowers. I'm going to add one of my little crystals on each side just to give it some sparkle. And then our brown check glass, just to give it that beautiful autumn color, just looks like a sunflower field. And then we're just going to repeat our pattern. Depending on the bead that you added on, sometimes you can see the soft flex wire through the bead, which I think is just a really nice design element. So we're just going to add all these on. There's a little bit of space between that 4 millimeter crystal and that flower, so your soft flex wire will show as well. If you want, you could add some seed beads just to give it some spacing. So a lot of design possibilities. Our check glass, our beautiful opal. We're just going to keep repeating our pattern. If you wanted to make a bracelet, you would just make it a little bit shorter in the same technique. So I added on all the beads. It looks just like a beautiful sunset, all the beautiful autumn colors, and then it just has that sparkle and then the beautiful glow for the yellow opal. So we just have a few more beads to add on. So we're going to slide those on our soft flex wire. And you could probably use this as a wrap bracelet if you wanted to. So I have a few more beads to add on, and I'm going to show you a little trick with this one. We use our 2x2s, and I should probably use gold, but I'm just going to mix my metals a little bit, and I just wanted to use silver. So we'll need a clasp of your choice. I am using a lobster claw, 2 2x2s, and 2 6 millimeter jump rings. I'm going to start by opening up one of my jump rings to attach it to my lobster claw. And when we open jump rings, we just do a gentle twist, slide on our clasp, and close. And you should hear a little click and you'll know it's secure. Slide on our 2x2 on our soft flex wire and our jump ring. And give it a close. Pass back through our 2x2. We want just a little bit of that soft flex wire showing in our design. We're going to give it a squeeze and rotate, and this will give it a more professional finish. I have a little bit of a tail, and I'm just going to tuck that under that next opal bead. Now I have a little bit of spacing, but I'm just going to slide all my beads down so I can add the remaining beads on this side of soft flex wire. I have the rest of my beads added on and my jump ring. I'm just going to slide on my 2x2. Gives you more soft flex wire to work on the other side of your project. So we have our loop made. We're just going to make sure that it is the same size or as close to the same size as we can. We're going to give it a squeeze and rotate. We have a little bit of our soft flex wire left over, so we'll just give it a trim. You can save your leftover soft flex wire for another project. So we have our beautiful necklace. We just completed it. If you ever need to make your necklace a little longer, you can always just add some more jump rings, a little link of chain, without having to restrain the whole project. If you're making this as a gift, you can always add a made with love charm, or if you're selling it at a craft fair, you can do the same thing. So we have our beautiful sunflower and Peruvian opal necklace using Softlex Company craft wire in red jasper and beads from my collection, as well as claims from the Softlex Company live sale. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other necklace inspiration and items used in today's video. Have an awesome day.